Hello, my name is Lilian and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to color your hair without using hairpin wax, hair dye, what other things they use, without using any of that. I'm going to be doing something different. So if you want to see what I'm going to be using and my results, then keep watching. But first, before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So without any more talking, let's get into it. As you guys can see, like, there's already some color in my hair. I did like the experiment. This is actually the first time I'm going to be doing this. Okay, yes, it was the first time I did it actually. So I put the stuff in my hair just to see how it would be, and so I have some color in it, as you guys can see. If you touch it, it doesn't really transfer that much. I'm going to be using concealer. This is actually the Sleek Pro concealer. I got this a really long time ago, but I hardly wear makeup. I don't know if you guys have noticed. I hardly wear makeup, so it's I just been lying down like in my room. But I think it should be about 2 years now or so. I don't, or probably a year. So I want to put it to good use. So I'm going to be using it in my hair. So what I do is just take some of the. You don't want to put too much because as little as possible, because it's makeup. So you don't need to put too much. So I'm just going to apply some on my hand, and then I'll just go ahead and rub it into my hair. So you just want it to form like a layer over the hair. You don't want to put too much so that it's wet. If you put too much, then it's going to transfer really bad. But if you do not put too much, it's going to be like makeup basically. People go around with makeup in their hair and they don't go even though it kind of transfers. So just think of this as makeup, just that it's on your hair. The good thing about this is that it's like a quick alternative to coloring your hair, and you do not have to. I think it's best done on dry hair because it's oil based, so it's not mixed with water. Most foundation powders and concealers are oil based, so I think it's best to apply them on dry hair because you apply makeup on dry face. So you should apply on dry hair. I want it to have like a form of ombre, so that's why I'm applying on only the ends of my hair. If you want like more options with your color, then you cannot use this because most I have not seen any like purple makeup or like purple concealer or purple foundation powder. So you have a limit to how colorful your hair can be. It's going to most likely be a shade of brown, so those are the only options you have. So unlike the hairpin wax that you can have red, purple, green, different colors, this is not going to be that way. It doesn't feel drying or like moisturizing. It does not have any feel to it, so your hair will basically feel how it was feeling before you applied it. So it doesn't change. It's not like it's very thick, even though it feels thick in the container, but when you apply on the hair, it doesn't change how your hair feels. It basically feels the same thing. So I added another band so that the puff is going to be higher. So now I have 2 bands just to make the puff stand a bit higher, so that it's obvious that it's just the ends that are colored. So now I'm just going to go ahead and rub the hair with leftover product, just to give it a little bit more smooth. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and spray this setting spray, classic setting spray, into the hair just because I feel like it's too dull. So hopefully this will brighten it up a little bit. And for some added shine, I'm going to go ahead and spray some oil. I'm using this hair oil from Body Nutrients. So I'll just apply a few drops on my hands and apply on the hair. So this is what it looks like. It's still kind of wet, so it's not like it's completely dry yet because of the setting spray that I put in it. So that brings us the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.